Lucy can't wait to go for a walk. She's so excited she has to put her leash on herself.
Yeah, Deanna and Stephanie, this all started back in August when 7-year-old Tia Johnson had an asthma attack at her home. She started seizing and then stopped breathing. Her stepmom
Get in your cage.
frantically started dialing 911. It took about 2 minutes before
Want to get in your cage?
on that line.
Get in your cage, Lucy. Let's go for a ride. Good girl. Good girl. Get in your cage. Want to go for a ride? Good girl.